Hey guys, so today I'm going to make a Minecraft video. I never made this video in a long time. So, because there's something wrong with my recording. But it's fixed now. So now I could just start off. If you're hearing that noise, my mom, she's hammering the wall. She's putting the paint. Okay, now let me name my world. Matthew. There you go. For survival easy. Let's go on normal texture pack. No. Oh wait, let's make a seed. I want to know what seed I want. Because you could just go inside my seed, but not in the right world. Let's call it 4560. There we go. Now let's go. Soon I'll put online game. Soon. But not in this video. Okay, wait for it to do the stuff. Okay, there. We're in my world now. So now, let's cut some trees. This is good. Okay, let's keep on going. Okay. I can't read the bullets. Now I could reach it. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is my skin. I'm a pilot. I like it. It's awesome on me. Okay, let's go make some wood. Okay, two is good. Let's make ourselves some stuff. Make sticks. I need an axe. Sword, of course. And more sticks. There we go. Let me open up my inventory. Oh, I need food. Okay. Let's take this crafting table with us. Oh, I'm playing this Minecraft game on the Xbox 360. I think I told you already, but I just told you again if I did. Okay, where shall I? First, let's kill animals. Maybe I will build my house. Start off the night. Okay, I go here. I'm just gonna kill this cow. Oh, but there's dirt. There's some stone. I'll make some stone tools now. Okay. What do I have? 11, I think. Gee, no, not yet. Okay, I have to cook my steak or raw meat. I have to call it. 22 is good. Let's make fjords and sticks. Ah, I made something wrong. Okay, I wasted my sticks, but now I'll make stone axe. Upgraded my weapon. Now I'll keep the shovel normal. I don't really need the shovel. Okay, I need some wood. Actually, I have wood. Cook this up. Oh, I'm gonna make a helmet. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, come on, let's start. Let's get some more trees for more wood. But that was stone pickaxe. Oh, I need those sheep for making a bed. Forgot. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Please. Good. Now let's get these trees down. Okay, a cow. A wolf killed the sheep. I can't tame him because I don't have bones. Oh, my last Minecraft videos, well, they were not good at recording. Everything was the other side. You just watch it, it's not a good video. I don't like it. You better watch this one because it's even better. I'm not gonna do that series anymore because I don't like it. And I got my new profile. It's even better than the old one. Look. This is me. I have 2,570 gigabytes. My name is Water343. I'll show you in a minute. My real name is Smith. Okay, we got enough meat. Now, oh, I'm so hungry. Where did it come from? Where's my feelings? Gotta keep going. I think it's up here. Yep, it's up here. Now let's cook up this. Oh, okay, that's good. What? Let's cook this. How many legs do I have? One. Here, okay, I'm gonna make a bed. Actually, I'm not gonna live here. I have to build my home before it turns night. It's almost done. It's almost night. I have to go. I need to go. Oh, I can't run fast. Go back. Okay, I have to cook this. This is perfect. A lot of coal. I will need the coal for my fields. Wait, now I have to cut the trees here. I must do it. It's almost night. It's a high rock. I can't finish it. Okay. Here we go. Let's get this one too. Okay. It's good. There. We have enough wood now. There's no time to finish at home. I have to live somewhere else. Where? I'm just gonna live in here. Can't go. It's so creepy out there. I'm so scared. I can't live outside. And it's almost night, and I can't finish my home. I'm just gonna live in this cave for a few days, and I'll build my home. Here we go. It's too dark here, but it's dark. Okay, I'll make some torches. Okay, 24 is not bad. Okay, I'll put my bed here. I'll get all my stuff when I'm done. And then few clothes could finish. I'm living in a cave now. And I keep on digging. It's good now. There. Now I have to get all my stuff. Come on, friends. Let's go. We gotta go. Oh my god, I have a lot of food. Where did I build? Okay. Here's my cave. Okay. Keep working like it's that. Okay. Good. I'm just gonna place my feelings here. And craft on top. Okay, I'm done. Now, I just need to cover my home up to protect myself. Here. Okay, we're gonna make a door. Fine, another door. For this one, I'm supposed to. Why 3? Yeah, I made 3 schools store. Yes, perfect timing. It's already night. Good. Now, we go to bed. Fine, I'll wait. Only 64 cobblestone? I could make another furnace. I really need them. I only make 3. I only do there anymore. I'll place this one in. Good. 2 here. We'll need a chest. We'll get rid of that. Okay, I'll place it here. I have to make a chest. Good. I'm sorry, towards that. I have to make it. There you go. Go to bed. Can I go to bed now? Yes, I could. This is perfect. Okay, is it morning now? Yep, it's first morning today. Okay, we're perfect. Now, okay. So in the next episode, I will finish my home. I hope you liked this video. You could leave a like if you want to, and subscribe if you want. Bye.